We're here at Collegetown Plaza to take a look at apartment 3J. Before we go in, I wanted to show you this floor. This floor is different from our other floors in the building. We've come down below the lobby level. There's the elevator, that set of red doors right there. And I wanted you to see that this apartment is across from the recycle center for the building. That's where everyone comes to take their trash and recycle. It is cleared out daily by our maintenance staff. This floor has 5 studio apartments plus 2 other larger apartments at the end of the hall. So it's actually a quieter floor with fewer apartments on it than we'll have on the upper floors. So as we enter, the apartment will be the same as the other units in the building. We'll enter through the kitchen. In this one, the J style, the kitchen is on the right. And we'll always have the same items, that refrigerator, the microwave. This one is a mounted microwave, the sink, the stove and oven. And across from us is the bathroom. Let's look in there. Same bathroom that we've seen. So you know it's got that standing tub shower, the vanity, the toilet, and the cabinet on the wall. Let's go into the room. So the furnishings will always be the same. You'll have the dining table and chair, the full-size bed, the desk and chair, the dresser, and the bookshelf. You can always move things around however you like. Now remember I said we came down a level? We're not underground. Collegetown is quite hilly. We're still a few floors above ground here on floor 3, even though we have come down 1 flight upstairs or on the elevator to get to this 3rd floor. We've still got some nice south sky over here. This is to the west, the direct view. So we're over the driveway level of Collegetown Plaza. This is the driveway to the parking lot. Over that way is towards Dryden Road. Just so you can get an idea of where we are within the building. So that's a look at Collegetown Plaza apartment 3J. We're in a studio apartment. This building is located at 111 Dryden Road here in central Collegetown, and we're just 1 block from campus.